Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can activate dynamic lock screen on your Android phone. So guys, first of all, let's just open our settings application on our Android phone. Then we're going to select the lock screen setting, this one. Tap on the lock screen setting and you're going to tap on the wallpaper surfaces. It's over here. Then just want to activate our dynamic lock screen, we can tap on this button. Then we can customize our dynamic lock screen by clicking on this button. Then you can select the category that you want to apply to your lock screen, and don't forget to download the category by tapping on this download button. But for me, I'm just going to select the categories that have been downloaded on my phone, and I'm gonna go with this plants category. So we can tap on the category and just wait for a moment until the process has been completed. Alright guys, and now the process is finished and the dynamic lock screen has been applied to our Android phone. And that's how we can activate the dynamic lock screen on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.